Okay, so question 2a, you're told that m is minus 1, 2, and that's the midpoint of PQ, and P is the point of minus 2, 4. So you go from P to M, and you count the points between them. So minus 2 to 1 is plus 1, and minus 4 to 2 is plus 6. So then, to get Q, you go the same distance from P to M as from M to Q. So you go from plus 6, you go minus 1 plus 1 equals 0, and plus 2 plus 6 equals 8. So then Q equals 0, 8. Then for V part 1, L is the line 2x minus y plus 6 equals 0. You're asked to find the slope of L. To find the slope of when you're given the equation of the line, you do minus a over b. So a is the number for the x, and b is the number for the y. So it's minus 2 over minus 1. It gives you 2 over 1. And then find the equation of the line m through point 5, 1 perpendicular to the line L. So if m is perpendicular to L, the slope's multiplied to minus 1. So 2 over 1 multiplied by minus 1 gives you minus 1 over flipped, and multiplied by minus 1 gives you minus 1 over 2. So that's the slope of L. So then the formula for the equation of the line is y minus y1 equals m by x minus x1. So if you put in your point 5, 1, you get y minus 1 equals minus half by x minus 5. So 2y minus 2 equals minus x plus 5. So you're left with the equation of x plus 2y minus 7 equals 0. And then you're asked to find t is the point of intersection between L and M. Find the coordinates of t. So you do simultaneous equation. So 2x minus y equals minus 6, and x plus 2y equals 7. So you multiply the top line by 2 so you can cancel the y's. So you get 4x minus 2y equals minus 12, x plus 2y equals 7. So you cancel the y's and you're left with 5x equals minus 5, x equals minus 1. So then you have to calculate y. So it's x plus 2y equals 7, minus 1 plus 2y equals 7, 2y equals 8, y equals 4. So you're left with t is minus 1, 4. And then part C, you're asked to show that AD is perpendicular to BC. So what you do is you find the slope of AD. So it's y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1 equals minus 1 minus minus 3 over 2 minus 1 equals 2 over 1, which gives you 2. Then your slope of BC, the formula again, is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So then you fill it in, minus 2 minus 1 over 4 minus minus 2 gives you minus 3 over 6, which is the same as minus a half. So if the slopes multiply to minus 1, then they are perpendicular. So 2 by minus half does multiply to minus 1. So you can say that AD is perpendicular to BC. And you're asked to find BC. So you do a distance formula. So the formula for distance is square root of bracket x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. So you fill it in, you get a square root of 4 minus minus 2 squared plus minus 2 minus 1 squared. You're left with square root of 36 plus 9. So you're left with root 45. So then part 3. Given that AD equals root 5, find the area of triangle ABC. So if you just draw a diagram to make it a little bit simpler for yourself, you just fill in your y-axis and x-axis. So that's what your diagram looks like. Sure. So you have A, B, C, and D. So you've already proved that BC equals root 45, and how that AD equals root 5. So you just do area of the triangle ABC equals half BC by AD, so it's half the base by perpendicular height, so it's half root 45 by root 5. So it's half of root 225. Root 225 is 15, so it's 15 over 2, which is equal to 7.5 square units.